Alright. Hey guys, I just wanted to do a short video. Nothing crazy about where that thing comes in and out of. Some guys go through the top, through the hood. Some guys will remove the driveline and go through the bottom. But I watched a video on YouTube and it'll fit right through there with not too much of a problem. You just unbolt the brake line and just move them back. You got to carefully move them back because it's all hard lines. But that starter goes right through that hole right there. I don't know if I can do it with one hand, but you'll put it in that way, just like that. This thing is just very uncomfortably awkward. See how it goes? See, it's already in there. It goes right through there just like that. So if you guys are trying to figure out how to get your starter out, literally it takes 20 minutes to change the starter if you already have the new one. Alrighty, and then just put your brake line back, make sure everything's tight. Those are 14mm bolts too that hold the starter in. If you're taking the one above it out, it's larger than 14mm, and that's a transmission mount bolt, so don't pull that top one out. They're about an inch apart. Alrighty, good luck, have fun.